Hey guys, Jojo's Ghost here. I'm doing Ratchet and Clank Cracking Time walkthrough part 2, and I hope you like it.
Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying
Alright,
evil of
now
all,
fire. I know fire can kill you.
itself.
Oh, the movie is suckers.
Nature is attacking! What's that for a sidekick? Ow!
Shut up, you piece of crap.
Okay, slight problem. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is going to be murder on my spandex.
Oh yeah, buddy. I'm a bad boy.
What's the plan, anyway?
Well, where there are bridges, there are people. Where there are people, there are ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart. You're going to make a great sidekick. Look at this beautiful native craftsmanship.
God, you're strong.
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this? Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working.
You're dumb.
Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be alright with those things on the loose?
Please, I can handle a few tiny creatures.
Can you? Why am I still going normal speed then? I think I'm gonna lose it. But
The parents are here!
you can't be mean.
Eagles do it. Hey, Ratchet, I had something in my eye.
Get away from me.
You see the size of those things? They were horrible. Come on, maybe there's a hotel around here. Concerned for his compatriots' well-being, Captain Quark's noble sidekick ninja leaps from stone to stone. Throw him 6 deadly inches of crystal blue water.
I mean, you gotta go back on the thing below which I just fell off. Smooth, yeah. I'm gonna be rich. or arm shot.
With his enemies vanquished, Captain Quartz speeds into the jungle, blaster at the ready, prepared to deliver swift justice to those who cross his path.
And my bike.
Are you tired of having to purchase a different weapon for every occasion? Then try Bonus new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo-approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors. The Constructo Long Gun, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun.
Okay.
Welcome back, Chief.
Mr. Zircon. I love him. I'm really level 100. Gotcha.
This door is ajar. Brother.
Concentrate with the best.
Help! Please! Please help me! My children! They're in danger!
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
My boys. We were fishing up the river when they attacked.
Quark, stay here. I'll go save the children.
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Oh, he's over there on that ledge. Save him! Please!
Oh yeah.
Wow! Thanks, mister! My mom's over there! Oh, praise Orbit.
Oh, that one child. Yep, gone. Emma. Golden bolt, looker. And my detecting footprint. Should be very close. Oh yeah. Sure, home. You want to get this?
Are you all there? I think my mom's over here.
I think that I'm gonna get in trouble. Yeah.
You're my hero. I still haven't found Caleb.
Danica, she's gonna be in like the awkward place or something. Right in the. Why did they get themselves stuck over there anyway? How did they get there? This is crap.
Mom! Dad! Somebody!
Yes. The guy. Hello, little buddy. Oh, I don't. What the fudge? Ah, this is great. Locate the missing children. I've already found one. I found a backpack. But nothing did it.
Hey, Steve. You just picked up a constructor lot. It could be you.
Oh. Mm. Alright, I'm getting the gun. And... Alright guys, I'm going to pause it there. It's over 10-minute mark. Come back later for some more crap quality videos. Bye!